I want to first congratulate and acknowledge machine makers for organizing manufacturing maestros on the 22nd of March in Chhatrapati Sambhaji Nagar. I think it's great for organizations to come forward and recognize a true contribution of manufacturing and especially of cities like Chhatrapati Sambhaji Nagar to the manufacturing ecosystem of India. And I'm very proud to say that Chhatrapati Sambhaji Nagar is playing a very, very big and vital role today in contributing to the manufacturing ecosystem. We are a strong automotive manufacturing and auto component manufacturing hub. We are also a large pharmaceutical manufacturing hub. We are the largest beer manufacturing city in Maharashtra. We have huge seed and steel capital and also have very advanced facilities in polymer manufacturing. So this diversity in manufacturing expertise gives us a lot of strength as a region. We've had multiple iconic anchor projects due to Honorable Devendra Fadnavis sir in this region. We've had the iconic investment of Toyota Kirloskar Motors. We've had JSW, who's going to manufacture the four-wheelers and commercial vehicles. We also have a leading two-wheeler manufacturer in electric vehicles, Ather, who's setting up the plant there, along with companies like Piramal, Cosmofils, IIB Proteins. And I think this is going to be the future of this city. We are going to be amongst the highest ranked cities in manufacturing. So I think recognizing the contribution of certain stalwarts of this region and boosting the ecosystem here, especially giving importance to entrepreneurs who are making a difference in manufacturing, to young leaders of this region, and also to all the students. I think this is a great initiative. I request all of you to come out and join us in this celebration.